Preheat the oven to 325. Soak the ham in warm water and remove all the packaging. Peel and chop the potatoes into 2 or 3 pieces. Put the ham in the baking pan and fill it with warm water. You got that done? Now you put the baking dish into the oven. And you peel and dice 2 onions. An hour before the ham is ready, add baby carrots into the baking pan. Half an hour before it's baked, add the diced onions into the cooking pan. And then let it all bake, 325. Cook for 20 minutes per pound. Remove the ham from the oven when it's baked. Peel off the ham's cap. Slice the ham by cutting halfway down the middle and then slicing it up. The ham is ready to be served with potatoes, carrots, and onions to the people you love, the people you care about. And I hope you all enjoy this. And I hope that you're all safe right now. Take care, my friends.